We have Sam here on the call today. I'm Tom. I have Sam, who's the head of our marketing department. And we're just going to go over some exciting technology and just give you just a rundown on augmented reality and this app that we have available for all of our partners to offer, right? And Sam's going to take the bull by the horns here. And Sam, if you want to get this party started, just tell me when to move the slides, and I will, no problem at all. And be ready to roll.
All right, sure. Hey, everyone. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. And I would like to tell you guys that in January, I come up with this idea and got the approval from our management that I wanted to build an app because it's not something very new in the market. It's people are doing this, but I wanted to make sure that we make this approachable for most of the of the right audience that can avail this thing in order to boost their business and improve their conversions, improve their sales and everything. So I'll explain you step by step that how we are exactly going to achieve this and what can be done. So in January, and I got the approval, and we took some time in February and March. We built this mobile application and the whole infrastructure. And then we offer it to our couple of clients, direct clients. So they took this app, they are using it, and they are uh, it's helping them. It's booming their business. It's very effective for them, and we have a very positive reviews and feedback from them. So now we have decided that okay, it's ready to present it to our partners so that we can get we can come to the objective that we initially set it up, and we can so we can offer it to more and more business owners, and everyone can avail this idea and increase their business revenue. And of course, if they are increasing their revenue, that means we as digital marketing agencies can increase our revenue as well. So this is the whole idea of come up with something which is win-win for all of us. So I'll start with the step by step that how we can make it effective for us. The idea is very simple. Now, what we are doing is, with the help of this mobile application, we are going to offer it, because e-commerce is the biggest industry, I would say, that exists in right now. So what we are doing is we are helping with the technology that can help them to increase their business. Now, how it can be done with this mobile application? Now, just imagine, because we are also a customer of these e-commerce stores. Now just imagine if you're buying clothes from any online store, but you can actually try them out with the comfort of their sitting in your own home on your own chair, or maybe the front of mirror, and trying out all the articles that you are interested in, just seeing that how does it looks like on you without even making a purchase. Okay, so once you see that, once you like that article or product, you just simply buy it, and then you make the purchase. So this is something which is definitely going to help our all customers in order to make this thing work within their existing, because they must, the e-commerce stores, what I'm talking about, that stores who are already established, they have the website, or maybe they have the mobile application as well, but they do not have this technology within their app or within their web application. Okay, so this whole presentation is going to be distributed in 6 steps. The first one is the introduction. The second one is the application, that how we can it's applicable, and where exactly this idea is applicable. What are the benefits? What are the process? What are the technologies we are using? And what are the tools? I have already explained you that why we have invested in this project and how we are making this idea into and bringing it in with you guys, so that because we all are strategic partners, and we can get more and more orders if you guys are selling it to your existing portfolio, the clients who already have online presence and everything. So that's why we initiated this idea, and we decided that that's how we can improve the online business, the overall revenue, and we can work on something which is creative enough to increase our portfolio as well. Now I'm going to show you a short video that can help you guys understand that what exactly this mobile application is all about, and then we can continue the presentation.
Let's talk about the future of e-commerce. Experience fashion online in 3D. We deliver cutting-edge augmented reality technology that captures 3D products and avatars on mobile devices within minutes. The results are remarkably detailed and accurate. Pick-to-Fit, our AR engine, increases customer loyalty and decreases product return rates. Pick-to-Fit makes online shopping so fun, engaging, and precise that shoppers spend more time interacting with retailers and brands. Pick-to-Fit is easy to use. Within minutes, the images will be processed to generate a unique avatar. The customized avatar can now enter the virtual fitting room. Mix and match unlimited combinations. Pick and choose, try on anything. Powered by AI, Pick-to-Fit can accurately transform conventional product images into sophisticated 3D fashion photography. Without additional or complicated hardware, brands and retailers can turn their existing 2D photo studios into scalable 3D image factories. Experience the magic. Virtual fashion is waiting.
So real estate companies can also use this technology and embed this within their mobile application to increase their productivity, to increase their revenues and stuff like that. So we all have to go to our existing portfolio, find out because we all have some kind of clients who do have big stores. They are providing the fashion stores, like let me say people who are providing luxury dresses, or you can say designer dresses. This is highly applicable for them. So we can also see and look into our existing portfolio to find out the right audience who can actually avail this thing and make this work. So this is how we have to identify the right audience in our existing portfolio, because doing any kind of marketing for this could be very expensive. So let's start with the existing portfolio, sell a couple of mobiles, and then we can also discuss that how we can make it we can expand this whole process and sell more and more mobile applications on monthly basis. So as we have already explained, but we would like to go into more details that how it can increase the sales. Definitely, if someone is trying out the dresses by sitting in their home, they can see, because it's all in our subconscious mind that sometimes we drop the products that we want because of the sense that it might not look good on me, the color might not look good on me, or maybe I don't know that how this product is going to be. So that's why people just drop or close the website and not make the purchase. But when they can see all products, they can just make the purchase very efficiently. And this is all like based on the study and the research we have done in the past. So definitely it's going to increase in sale. Definitely it's gonna increase the engagement, because this is how the people are actually in your stores without in your stores. So they are experiencing, they are checking out all your products, they are checking out everything that you have, and they can also zoom the products and see that what if it has some kind of designs or something, they can completely get satisfied and then make the purchase. So definitely it's gonna make the conversions more and more. And of course, word of mouth marketing will be definitely a very good one of the key factor here that, if you experience something like that, you definitely share it with others. So it's gonna help our clients to, increase the word of mouth marketing as well. Hey, I was going through, I just bought this shirt from this store, and you can just experience, you can check all the products on yourself by just, with the help of this mobile application technology. So, people will talk about it with it, because online stores must have, existing customers. They have huge portfolio in terms of customers. They have repeat business as well. So it's going to help them out very well. Competitive advantage, of course, because if their competitors are not doing this and they are doing this, so definitely it's going to increase their competitive advantage as well. Decrease in returns, because people already have experienced the product. So, the probability of getting the returns is going to decrease. Inventory optimization, they don't have to keep the proper check on their inventory, because people are buying the product. Because when you have decrease in returns, of course, eventually your inventory will be optimized, and you don't have to, because in clothing industry, returns and inventory is the biggest challenge. So when you pitch these kind of things to them and explain them that how it's going to help them, they will definitely, consider it and go for it. Okay, the selling techniques, all the things that I have explained in the app benefits, the previous slide, you can, use these as a selling techniques. We are going to send you custom email templates that you guys can, do some editing and send it to your customers if you have a huge portfolio of e-commerce stores. So you guys can do the email, but I would prefer that you guys just interact with those customers on call, or maybe on text, or on via email first, and then, just present this idea to them. And that will help you guys to close this, to close this project efficiently. We are also going to provide you a custom proposal, which you guys can do the editing, and that proposal will consist all the details, the languages we are using, the process of building this app, and the phases that we are going to take care of, the time frame, the explanation of each and every single feature, that how you can see the product, how you can select that product, add to cart it, and buy that product, and then how does it go to create your account. You can track your orders as well, because it's just right now this whole presentation is based on this on one technology, but of course there are going to be a lot of features like notifications, order tracking, reorder options, and account profiles, personalized feeds, and stuff like that. All of that, it's included in this mobile application project. So when we send you the custom proposal, you guys can go through it and see all the features that we have listed by yourself. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask us, and we would love to answer that, so that you guys can go and sell this application to majority of your clients. Okay, versions. Now this is important thing. As I have explained to you, that this mobile application is applicable for clothing industry, for real estate, for furniture industry as well. Because if you want to buy a particular furniture for your room, so you can simply, open the application, open the scanning room as well, and then you can just place the camera on in a room where you have to place the furniture, and then you can see the product, that how does it look in your room, what kind of colors would you like to prefer on the background and stuff. You can do everything on there. So the mirroring version is something that if you are looking for a product, if you are trying out the clothing products, so you can just simply stand in front of mirror, place the mobile in front of mirror too, and then just select the product in the mobile application, and you can see in the mobile application, because the mirror will help mobile application to adopt your visual from the mirror, and then it will help you to select the right product for yourself and just buy it. So that's why we are calling it that we have different versions. So we can explain all of that to our clients, and then it's their choice that which one would they like to go with. So yeah, it's applicable for real estate companies, furniture stores, appliances and accessory stores, like, the jewelry and accessories. If it's come to appliances, like, the ovens, the microwave, fridge, stuff like that, it's applicable for everything. And even, for carpets, for curtains that we use, for a lot of things that is applicable. Like, we are still in the phase of implementing this technology to more and more industries. And as soon as we find out that, we will keep you guys posted on that, so that if you guys have particular portfolio or some clients in that particular industry, so we can help you to get them on board with you. Now, the first question that they will ask is, what is the process that how we should. So once they are on board with you or with us, we are going to start the research and planning phase. Okay. And after that research and planning phase, because it's an existing business, so we have to see that what type of business or what is their business operation, and how this model can be applicable or molded into their existing system. So after that, we are going to send you a complete documentation and wireframing that how we are going to, design and develop this whole application and deliver it to you. So from the first step till the last step, we'll explain everything in the documentation. And then after that, once the client approves that documentation and wireframing, we'll move forward towards the designing part. We'll design the complete screens of that mobile application, because every customer needs different user interface. It all depends. We cannot copy and paste, the same thing on different clients. So that's why we have to design the user interface from the scratch, and then develop the technology. And we have the technology ready, but we cannot just use it for every client. So we have to do the adjustment in terms of coding to implement the design and code with each other. Now, once the application, and of course, we are going to send the design first to them. Then when they approve those design and user interface, we'll move forward towards the core development. And after the core development, we'll release a first testing version that we call the APKs, where your clients can download the APKs and test it out, that how exactly this mobile application is coming through. If they have any kind of concerns at that moment, they can ask for the revision, and we'll do the needful. So once we complete this everything, we are going to do the quality assurance of this mobile application, that it's secure. We are not leaving any loopholes. We are making sure that everything is working fine. There's no bugs and there's no crashing. And then we'll go live and make this application live on Google Play Store and App Store under the company's name, like, your client's company or your company, whichever works for your clients. That's not a problem. That's all from my side.
Hey, Sam, thanks. That's awesome. Yeah, what we're going to do is, we're going to provide you with all of the information, right? All the stages, the processes, the procedures, the marketing materials, all the presentations, videos, everything, right? And obviously, we want you to have as much knowledge as you can, because this technology here can be applied to so many different industries, and it's really going to open up a lot of doors and really separate all of you from the rest of the other agencies that are out there. Selling augmented reality apps, with AI technology is really, it's groundbreaking, and especially at the prices that we are going to be offering these, these apps for, will be highly competitive. No one will be able to come even close to us when it comes to the technology that is produced for that actual business, right? And the experience that the consumer is going to have. And the pricing, so not only will every agency, that's partnered with Rocket Driver separate themselves, but your clients will also be in a league of their own, and that's and again, that's what we've always, have always said here. We want to push the envelope. We want to get all of our partners to offer services, products, technology that is really cutting edge, that'll take that business to the next level, and we're always going to show the value. It's all about value, right? What are they going to get for their money? How is it going to impact their business? And like Sam said in the beginning of this conversation, e-commerce is, especially after COVID, right? Explosive. I mean, there's nothing, it just every single year it's been breaking records in terms of sales. And online, anything that has to do with, with a shop, an online store, there's really nothing that comes close to that in terms of the growth of that actual growth of e-commerce, So, all right, like I said, this is just an intro, to the technology. And I'm sure you guys are going to be thinking about a lot of the information that we've provided you today, at least, an idea of, hey, who can I sell this to, and we're going to lay out all the different industries. We're going to supply you with all the videos, all the stuff. And then that way you can always come back for more, right? Ask more questions, get on the phone with me, and Sam, and we will educate you, and that's really what the key is here. Anyways, Sam, I appreciate your time here on the call. Thanks a lot for, for bringing, this presentation here together to the team. And like I said, be on the lookout for some emails. We'll be compiling the information. We're going to have all of the information in the knowledge base. We're going to send it out to all of you, and you'll have everything, and we'll keep, and you'll be really surprised at what we're going to present to you, and what you'll have available really to market, and to get out there. So again, everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this call. We really do appreciate having you here. All right. Take care, Sam. Thanks a lot. And we'll talk again. Bye-bye now.